shark loves to swim, 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 wiggle and giggle, flip and spin. Tiny fins that splash around, bubbly fun without a sound. Mama shark is fast and sleek, swimming strong with a joyful peak. She teaches baby how to glide through the ocean side by side. Daddy shark is brave and bold, chasing fish in waters cold. He shows baby how to dash in the deep blue with a splash. Grandma shark is wise and kind, stories of the sea she keeps in mind. She dances slow with graceful twirls, singing songs with bubbles and swirls. Grandpa shark has a hearty laugh, swimming with a funny splash. He plays peekaboo behind a shell, making baby giggle and yell. Baby shark spins round and round, making waves that dance and sound. With family swimming near and far, they shine like ocean stars. Together they dance, flip and pray, under the ocean's sparkling spray. A happy family, wild and free, dancing through the deep blue